Welcome to Taposhi Educational Tutorial. Student, those who are read in class 8 and 9 CBSE and ICSE boards, for the student I arrange this class. I hope student you will enjoy this class. In these chapters I will teach you the hydrogen. Very important student. In this chapter, children will be able to learn the hydrogen, preparation of hydrogen by electrolysis of water, laboratory preparation of hydrogen, industrial production of hydrogen by Buch process, preparation of hydrogen, uses of hydrogen, and very important, in the last portion we will be discuss the questions answer regarding these chapters. Now let's start. Why we should study about the hydrogen and what actual hydrogen. If we define the hydrogen, then we can say that hydrogen is a lightest chemical element, highly reactive, most abundant element in the universe, and it is chemically symbolized by H. Right, student? In this diagram you will be find the hydrogen, the atomic number 1, and here the middle portion positive charge indicate the proton and the outermost shell the negative charge indicate the electrons. Okay, so hydrogens, why it is important? That means important facts about hydrogen. The hydrogen, if we look at the periodic table, in the first element in the periodic table you can find the hydrogen, and it is a alkali element, non-metals, and it is the lightest element known so far, most abundant element in the universe. The largest source of hydrogen on the earth is water, and hydrogen is the highly reactive non-metals. The chemical formula is H2. One molecule of hydrogen consists of the 2 atoms of hydrogen. We have already told that atomic number of hydrogen is 1. The hydrogen atom consists of the 1 protons and 1 electrons. The only the element without neutron, and hydrogen is highly inflammable gas. Now we going to discuss about the discovery of hydrogen. Okay, so first Robert Boyle in 1671 discovered it while performing the experiment between iron filings and dilute acid. Henry Cavendish in 1776 recognized it as a distinct element, and another scientist, Antony Lavoisier, in 1783 gave the name of hydrogen, meanings in Greek word hydro means water, agens means creating, that means the water producer. Right, student? Now the combine with other element and forms a number of compound like water, ammonia, methane, glucose, hydrogen peroxide and hydrochloric acid. Okay student, now we going to discuss about the occurrence of hydrogen. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe. The sun and other stars are mostly composed of hydrogen gas. On the earth, hydrogen is the third most abundant element after oxygen and silicon. Okay student, so it occurs in free as well as combined state in nature. In free state, it is present only in a very small percentage in air, near about 0.4 times 0.5%, and in volcanic gases. It is mostly found in the combined state with other element in various compounds like water, acid, alkalis and other molecules. Okay student, now water is most abundant compound of hydrogen on earth, right? So water covers 70% of earth, we already know that. Okay, so every water molecules H2O contain 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atoms. Early we study about the composition of hydrogen, right? So hydrogen is an important part of the acid, alkalis, petroleum, many minerals, starch, sugar, oil, alcohols and thousands of other substances. Hydrogen is a main component of carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, hormones and other molecules present in the plants and animals. Since we can say that hydrogen is present in combined state in water, acid, HCl, alkalis, it can be obtained from this compound by various chemical reaction. Okay student, I hope you clear about the hydrogen what I here discuss. The next part I will be discuss the preparation of hydrogen by electrolysis of water. So student, please subscribe my channel, like, share and wait for the next part. Thank you for watching. See you next time.